Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to add and use keyframes in Premiere Pro. If you're ready, our first step is to click the Window tab in the menu above. Then select Effect Controls. As you can see, the Effects Control panel has opened. Now click once on your video in the timeline. Then, expand the Motion tab by clicking the icon next to it. Now, pause the video at the point where you want to add the keyframe. For example, I want to add a zoom in effect to this part of the video. So, I'll add the first keyframe by clicking the toggle animation icon next to scale in the Effects Control panel. As you can see, a keyframe has been added. Next step, I'm now playing the video to add the second keyframe. I then use the toggle bar next to scale to adjust how much to zoom in. You can also enter a value manually if you prefer. The second keyframe will be added automatically as soon as you change the scale setting. However, remember that I chose scale because I wanted a zoom effect. If you want to add keyframes for effects like rotate or position, you should use the toggle bars for those features. Finally, if you want to move, copy, or delete a keyframe, you can simply right-click or drag the keyframe icon from this panel. I hope this how to add keyframes in Premiere Pro tutorial video was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.